Hi, dear teacher and possible dear companions. My name is Carlos Efren Cardoso Quiroga. I'm a electronic engineer, and right now I'm a student from IoT master program in the UNAT University. I live in Bogota City, and my CEAD in the UNAT is the Jose Acevedo y Gomez. Well, my record decision was the video. Its name is the site. Okay, the first question about this activity said, would you like to have a site? Okay, I think like an invention, the site it will be engineering fit, and the development of this tool will have a convergence of many technologies and challenges very hard, and then could be an advice revolutionary and to contribute for several tasks. However, I don't would like use it. I think that the human skills don't be replaced with technology, except for those occasions in which the people with limitation needs some support. Okay. The second question was, what would you see you use site for? Okay, like a technology man, uh, because I electronic engineer, I definitely don't use this site. However, if it was necessary to use it, I just use the tool for task of high accuracy because that will be a big advantage. There are scenarios where the site could be very interesting. For example, when a person works in the heights, the site could be help them the site could be help them to give the steps with extreme accuracy and security. Other activity can be the driving. In this activity, each move it matters because it implies self-security and the everyone. Then, in my opinion, the site can be used for ask about the jobs because can to help to the efficiency and the security of the people. But use the tool for social interactions could be too careful to lose social skills. Okay, continues. The third question is how could site be misused? An invention like the site could be mm, could be used in several areas. Just as the video shows, the system could be used for take advantage in social environments. The number of cyber crimes that could be committed would be very high. Access to information in real time is clear advantage. The manipulation of data in environments has a potential of damage systems or cause damage to the same people. In a world in which the personal information can be too stolen easily, and a tool like the site could be an apocalypse. Okay. The fourth question is, do you think a device like site is possible in the future? Absolutely. In fact, very similar technologies already exist, such as augmented reality, and the world of video games offers comparable environments. The digital or virtual multiverse is a prime example, allowing people to lead lives through alter egos. Other disruptive technologies like cloud computing, AI, and the broader field of information technology mean that an invention like site is merely a matter of time. Furthermore, quantum computing is making ideas that once seemed so real easy to invention and highly likely to become a reality. Uh, the fifth and the last question is, how could using site change people's life? Okay, as previously mentioned, the use of such a tool could offer a significant security across various tasks. positively impacting precision, agility, and safety. However, it must be noted that there is a very high probability of the tool being used for cybercrimes and information manipulation. Um, Consequently, it could compromise the physical safety and individuals and the integrity of confidential information, potentially causing immense damage to society and digital infrastructure. And then, like little brief, um, I think that a tool like the site can be used for many tasks, principally or main for people with which needs some support for different jobs, tasks, um, people with deficiencies and body's deficiencies. Then file this tool is very advanced, but in the real society currently, the site can be terrible weapon, principal mainly in the information for the people. Okay, this is all for this opportunity, and see you soon. Cordially, Carlos Cardoso.